Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find the events section in the Busch Gardens application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the guide button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then scroll down and look for the events section, and then click on the view all button. And as you can see, here are all the events that you can check. So just click on the one that you're interested in and click on the show more button to see more details. And you will be able to see the event schedule as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.